Welcome to Place Value Street.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mrs. Taylor, and I'm a local realtor in your area. I heard that you are in the market for a new house because you've outgrown yours. Well, great news! I have an open house today from 2 to 4, and I would love to show you this great house on Place Value Street that just opened up. I know that you're going to love it.
Do you remember how your first house held the ones place? Here's an example of what a ones block looks like. It's inside of the ones place. Once you had 10 ones blocks, you were ready to add on to your house where you built the tens place. After you added on your house looked great. It had the tens and the ones place. Here's an example of what a tens block looks like. Look inside of the tens place. Remember that a tens block has 10 ones that are stacked together to create a tens block, which looks like a rectangle. Once you had 10 tens blocks, you were ready to add onto your house again, where you built the hundreds place. After you added onto your house again, you had the hundreds, tens, and ones place. You had so much room in your house. Here's an example of what a hundreds block looks like. It's in the hundreds place. In order to make that, you connect 10 tens together, and then you get a big square that is called a hundreds block. Well, now that you have 10 hundreds blocks, you are ready to move into another house. You really need some more space.
Great news! I found the perfect house for you right down the street. Would you like to come check it out? You would? Well, then let's go. Welcome to Place Value Street. I'm so glad that you could come to our open house today because you sure are going to love this new house that features so much extra room for you. Would you like me to show you around? You would? Well, come on, let's go check it out. The house that we are looking at right now is the Thousands House on Place Value Street. Inside of the house, you'll notice 3 different sections. You'll notice the 100,000s place, the 10,000s place, and the thousands place.
Even though your new house looks close to your neighbor, the architects decided to add a comma to separate your yards. Isn't that nice? As we study place value in class, you should write down the place value chart each time you run across a place value question. It will help you slow down as you annotate and write down the 6-digit number that's outlined in the question. Let's do an example together. It's like a riddle. Write down each number in the place value chart as I say them. If you don't have a place value chart to use, pause the video and write it down on a dry erase board or on a piece of paper so you can follow along with me. Write a 9 in the 10,000s place in the chart. Make sure that it looks like the one I have in the chart. Write a 2 in the tens place on the chart. Double check your answer and make sure it looks like mine. Write a 5 in the 100,000s place on the chart. Check your answer. Write an 8 in the hundreds place on the chart. Check your answer. Write a 6 in the ones place on the place value chart. Check your answer. Write a 4 in the thousands place on the place value chart. We should all get this one right because there is only one spot left. So what number did you make? Here's what I got. The next step is to learn how to say the number. Remember to say 1,000 at the comma. What number is in the thousands house? That's the house with the red roof. We read 594. Then add the word thousands, since the comma is there. What number is in the blue house? That's the one with the blue roof. We read 826. Now let's put it all together. 594,826. Great job, everyone! Sometimes you have to put a 0 in your place value chart as a placeholder. Let's do one like that together. Do you have your place value chart ready? If not, pause the video so you can make one on a dry erase board or on a piece of paper. This time, I'm going to read you all of the clues, and you're going to put it on your place value chart. Then I will show you what your place value chart should look like. Here we go. This number has 5 ones, 8 hundred thousands, 6 tens, 9 thousands, and 100. Here is what you should have on your place value chart so far. Check over your answers and make sure that looks like mine. Did you notice that we didn't hear how many 10,000s there were? So we are going to put a 0 as a placeholder. Notice how I added a 0 to the 10,000s place. So now that we have a number in every single place, we're ready to read our number. We're going to read the thousands house first. 809. Then we're going to read the comma. We're going to read thousands. And then we're going to read what's in the second house, the blue house, 165. And now we're ready to put it together. Are you ready to read it with me? I can't hear you. Are you ready to read it with me? Great! Our number reads 809,165. Amazing job, everyone.
Thanks so much for joining me today at our open house. And I am really excited that you decided to buy the house. You're going to have so much room and you are really going to enjoy living there. If you liked today's video, don't forget to click the like button below. I really can't wait to take our next adventure with you. So make sure that you click the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on a single adventure. I can't wait to see you again for our next video. See you soon!